Hi friends, this is a Qigong practice for help open our chest and lung and also boost our immune system. This movement is from the Ba Duan Jin, 8 Brocades, second movement, shooting as an archer, left and right. Step open to your left, shoulder width apart. The hands position so important. Okay, your hands, the point, thumb first finger open, hand from a natural palm. The other three, first, second knuckles draw in. So your fingers, between fingers is a gap. Underneath your thumb, this is the big fish belly. Underneath little fingers, little fish belly. These two muscles slightly draw in, so your hands, palm, 劳宫, curl in like a cup. This hand is hollow, like a 3D hand. This is a hand is young. We collect energy from our palm, hollow palm, this way. Back and side. The common mistake in this hand is your fingers all close together, touching the palm. You block the energy from the 劳宫 point. The other common mistake, your fingers open, but you open your palms. There's no curl in yet, draw in slightly. The other hand is called the dragon's claw. Hello, leaves. Your fingers all open. Curl first, second, knuckle in, claw. This hand is solid, yin, yeah. One yang, one yin. Yang is hollow, yin is solid, okay? Back. This palm needs to be open, the back. Common mistake, you do your hands like a fist, or you don't open the palm enough. Okay, this is hands position. Good. Feet open, wider than the shoulder slightly. Cross your left hand outside of the right and your mirror image. Step 1. Step 2. The front hand hollow, point, inside hand crawl. Hips in down from horse arm, hands lower from front of your sternum. Push left hand out, pull the right hand in. Only turn the neck, your body, waist doesn't turn. Okay. Left hand pushing out, fingers pointing up. Right hand pull in from the collarbone, hands shoulder level. Energy is your wrist, left wrist pushing out, right elbow pull out, open your chest in the sternum. Gazing to left fingertip. Release your hands. Weight to the right. Only your arm, shoulder, it doesn't twist. Your forearm, shoulder, open. Push out. Your rope hand, push out stronger. Gazing to the right hand. Shoulder down. Step left foot in, feet together, hands draw in. Other side. 1. Right leg open. Right hand outside. 2. Setting the hand. Front hand point. Inside hand crawl. Crawl. Point. 3. Horse arm. Push the right hand out. Pull left hand in. Open the chest and lung. Your pointing hand is now your palm pushing out. Little fingers, angle pushing out. One hand pull in, one hand push out. 4. Left arm open. Shoulder, chest open. 5. Hands down. Right foot in. Now we bring together with breathing. First, regulate the body. Second, regulate the breathing. Third, regulate the mind. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This time, bring your mind, breathing, and body all together. Inhale. Exhale. Use the intention, no applications. Intention to the fingertips and hand and right elbow. Inhale. So each movement, pause 1 or 2 seconds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I feel very warm now. How do you feel? This movement, common mistake for horse arm. Your feet open, you can slightly open, wider than the shoulders. 跳蹦 drop down. Inner thigh open, knee toe pointing forward. If your ankle knee, a lot of pressure, you can turn the toe out slightly. So if you feel stronger, knee toe pointing forward. 跳蹦 down. Lengthen top head. Okay, horse arm. Common mistake. You stick your hips out. Or tuck and under, lean back too much. Your back take a lot of pressure in here. Keep straight. 跳蹦, top head is one long line here, horse arm. Good, hope you enjoy the practice. Inhale before we close. Exhale, convert the chi returning to original. So you can practice these movements separate from the form, 8 Brocades, or you can bring into the form. Remember the details. And then we have extra benefit. If we don't have the details, less benefit. Hope you enjoy the practice. See you again soon.